Last time you looked at this bike, we were trying to put handguards on, and we ran into a little issue. Recall, the mounting hardware, no fitto, and the handlebarzo. So, no bueno. And that's as much Spanish as I have. So we got a solution today. New bars. Pro Taper, Carmichael bend. We kind of like these in the fat bar treatment. Obviously not Pro Taper, but we like those in the fat bar treatment. But the nice thing is we can take this plug out and then this will fit right in there. We'll do that in a second. A couple more parts because I cut the grip and we're going to need new grips anyway. The ODI half waffles in gray. Black and gray, black and gray, black and gray. Keep the theme going. We're going to raise them up 15 millimeters with a little Tusk, what do they call these?
Bar risers.
Bar risers kit. And we're going to throw a little bit of bling with function for the brake. The works connection, rotating bar clamp. These are pretty neat. This will go here on this clamp where the brake reservoir and right side mirror is. If the lever or mirror takes a shot, the nylon washer in there will just allow that to rotate ever so slightly without breaking the unit. So still holds it tight, doesn't move when you're going down the road, but if it takes a shot, it'll rotate. So let's get it going.
All right, we got a crazy stat here. So we got this stock bar off, and then we've got the Pro Taper bar. Now, I don't have a weight spec machine scale, but this is very heavy, and this is very not heavy. So just throwing that out there for y'all.
We do have a scale.
Oh, we do?
Isn't it like right there?
Oh, we have a scale. Hold up, chat. We have a scale. Okay, everyone, we are going to weigh the two items. So let's start with the OEM bar. We're going to weigh that.
It has one grip on it though.
That's okay. What does the weight come to?
Oops. I don't know. It won't say.
Here, hold up. Let me pull the camera off the tripod.
2 pounds 11 ounces.
Swell. Then the Pro Taper bar with a bar pad.
With shipping paper. 1 pound 14 ounces.
So go aftermarket, forget stock. It's
like
so
a
much
full
lighter.
pound, isn't it? Just about.
Yeah.
But the other interesting thing is the bar is painted silver, but it starts life as a black bar. So maybe that's why the one on the Sumo is black, and then this one just gets painted. Ooh. Maybe this is a black frame painted silver.
Ooh. Cowie, we're calling you out.
All right, what's next?
All right, let's get back to the time lapse. after enough struggling, one handguard has been put on. So really, it's not so much this bar or this piece that's the problem. It's this stupid clamp here. It's kind of set up for a fat bar, so where it's supposed to go on right, it's going to be right there. And you can't put it there because you need this crossbar here. So what we ended up doing is just putting it here and putting this bar on without the plastic and bending it to mold it to how we need it to be, and then putting this plastic on. On the other side here, different problem. You got to cut more of the grip off to be able to make sure that the throttle doesn't get stuck up there.
That's good now.
Snappy. So yeah, really, I mean, the only problem is really just these grips. They just suck. So we're going to continue. So sorry for not everything was being on here. We were struggling and trying to focus. So, but yeah, we figured it out. We're just going to finish up with this one and then give our overall install review on these the hand guards.
Don't buy them.
Okay, despite all the pain and troubles, we got both hand guards on. Let's just say these things really were a pain to get on. It's just these clamps right here. That's really it. Put the accessories back on. So this thing will have to suffice for now for the trip, just with the way this is. We'll most likely after the trip we'll get it done right, but we're running out of time to, you know, really do it properly because we can't wait for more parts to come. So that's gonna be it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, ride safe and enjoy every ride. Peace out.